Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to replace a upgrade from CCFL to our UB70 series LED kit. This is a 19-inch screen and it's made by Torisan. The screen number is TM190SX-70N01. As you can see on it. Okay. So this one's quite easy to replace it to upgrade the LED. It's much easier than replacing a CCFL because there's no soldering involved. First, we had to remove top and bottom reflector out. This reflector is holding by two tiny screws here and here. So what you need to do is that we need to remove the screw. Okay, take the screw out. It's a really tiny one. Alright, set it aside, and then you pull the wire just like that. One out. Okay, so this is 19-inch dual lamp, so it's big enough for us to mount our UV series back to the reflector. As I said before, we're using this reflector also part of the heat sink. Spray heat much faster. Now, before we replace it, I would like to test it. Let's make sure all LED lights up. Before I do the installation, just do the quick test. And alright, okay. Fire up, apply the power. Okay, so all LED lights up, good. Ready to be installed. Set aside. Okay, alright, set that aside. We're gonna remove this. First, it's quite easy to remove it. The wire in the back. Just loosen up this first. Okay. There's two low voltage return wire on the reflector. They use a double side tip to stick on the back. So loosen it up. Okay, and then this guy, just take it out. Let's see this side. Yep. Okay. Alright. Okay. One is out. Okay. That's it. It's out. So next thing, we're gonna peel out this double side tip. And then stick it right in the middle of the reflectors. You can use any tools, but I prefer use a flathead screwdriver. Press it down, but don't press on the LED, okay? When you press it down, do not press on the LED. You press on in between this stick. So I don't want you to damage LED. Just press down, down. Okay. All right. So basically, it's quite easy now. It's installed already. You just slice it back, right? Slice it back. Put the screw back. Okay, you do the wire things here, and then you add a piece of wire, a tip, to secure this wire. All right. So let's see. Oops. Okay. Done. Not quite yet. But you see this? The light will bleed out, so we had to use this aluminum foil, which all our UV series comes with the small piece of aluminum foil. Just kind of cover it. So let's say this one we're gonna cover it to prevent the light was bleeding out. Okay. Where is it? All right. See this? Okay, so we're gonna cover like this. See? So one is done, and you just have to repeat the other one in the bottom. The top is done. Exact this procedure. As you can see, it's quite easy to do it. That's it. Thank you for watching.